try to hit up BNMD right quick. Yo, what's good, man? Chilling. We heading up to Winston-Salem right now. Yeah. Nah, we just about to hit up the mall. I'm about to try to cop some shirts or whatnot. How the beats going? Well, yo, did you get a chance to send VST? Did you get a chance to send the VST?
No, I haven't made that link yet.
But say what? So you work on anything new? That's what's up, man. Man, you need to come down here, man, experience what's going on. Yeah, probably I might slide through next year too. But yeah, we need to get this shit popping, man. Nah, we ain't even hit up on. We're driving on the highway right now. Say what? It starts at like 5. So like I'm gonna hit up the mall, try to cop a shirt or whatnot. Yeah, you know Nat didn't even come. Yeah. He's saying that something about his mom had something planned for him. But yeah, I'll hit you back and whatnot and let you know what's going on and everything. Alright, come on.